for water supply systems all over, there is a degree of vulnerability to issues relating to earthquakes, but thankfully there's been no significant damage or impact that has been sustained by the National Water Commission's systems. We have some 1,000 plus structures, facilities located all across the island, some in very remote locations, which would have been affected by the shaking. We also have particular water supply tanks and reservoirs which are at risk. Thankfully, all our assessment to date, and we are continuing to do assessments, show that there is no significant or no noticeable impact, particularly on the Mona Reservoir, nor are we seeing any noticeable impact on the 19 miles of pipeline coming from the Alas and Negro Rivers in St. Thomas. The Hermitage Dam remains intact, and there is no noticed damage sustained by that. Similarly, at our other smaller tanks and reservoirs across the country. We expect that there will be some minimal effect from issues relating to pipeline breaks, which is natural after an event such as what happened. But those are likely to be manifested in days to come, since with underground pipelines, it will take a little while for any break to be recognized. We are planning to put ourselves in the best position to be able to respond to any increase in the number of leak responses that we'll need to do. And we'll continue during the course of the next few days to make sure we complete our detailed assessment and response.